sheet, but it's an important concept or an interesting concept to think about. So if the musket ball in the previous exercise was replaced with a bullet of half the mass and twice the initial speed, would it be safe to do the experiment with the same apparatus? And would you expect the same results? So what's happening is that bullet that you used, or that projectile that you used, is become half the mass but twice the speed. Is it going to be still safe to use that bullet? Did you say no? No? We have a no. Is it still safe to use it? No? Anyone say yes? Anyone understood what I just said?
Please explain once more.
Tobo, it was not a yes or no. Well, I guess it was a yes or no question.
네.
Okay, I don't think he understands. So, the question is that in the previous example, we had the block with this thing aiming towards it. But now we have the same, everything is the same except that the bullet or the projectile is now much smaller, half the mass, but it's going much faster, twice the speed than before. Would you expect the same results? Is this even a safe experiment to do? Yes or no?
세이프? 세이프는 아니지.
It's not safe?
아니,
What happened with the previous one?
Nothing. It just got stuck in there and made a pinch.
그게 세이프인 거예요?
Yes.
세이프.
Safe? So, theoretically, if you rearrange the equation to look like this, you'll notice that if the block's mass is a lot heavier than the bullet's mass, it really doesn't matter about the bullet's mass. If you change it half the size or twice the size, the mass is very negligible in terms of the mass as a whole. Because the bullet, or what is it? It was 1 kilogram versus 0.01 kilograms, right? So you notice that 0.01 or 0.05 really doesn't make a difference in the equation. So the mass itself wouldn't change, but the velocity, if you double it, would actually increase the kinetic energy, like the change in kinetic energy. And so it would actually not be safe. In fact, if you shot this bullet towards that same exact block, that block would probably explode. Right? So you would need to change the block to a different type of block, I guess. But yeah, that's the concept behind that.